Well, my oh my, a brand new rideshare app has just launched, and this could literally take over Uber and Lyft. And wow, am I excited for some more competition to enter in, because God knows that Uber and Lyft drivers deserve more pay. So maybe this could be the new solution. And let me get you this, as soon as this rideshare app comes to the market worldwide, drivers are going to be flocking to a company that actually pays drivers fairly. So before I get started, I wanted to thank our sponsor, Solo. Work Solo is an app, a business app for gig workers. They have guaranteed pay. They help drivers make more money, manage expenses, get help with taxes. And when you sign up below with our link, they're gonna give you $15. All you gotta do is link your app, link your Venmo, your PayPal, whatever you got. They'll send you 15 bucks, which is pretty awesome because they're a new company and they're just getting started. So check them out, show them some love, tell them that the Rideshare Hub sent you. Make sure to use our link to get your $15, take part of that promo, and start making some extra money with when you use Solo. So let's get started. I wanted to read this article. Very, very cool. This new rideshare app just launched, which I'm excited about. And interestingly enough, it's a rideshare app by women and for women. And it's now in test mode, but it's live, and they're starting in the United Kingdom, in London. It's a ride for women by women. A new ride-sharing app is banking on London's reputation as a product test market to launch its service here, first by recruiting female drivers and riders with the promise of a safer trip home. All you creepy dudes out there who are picking up your rideshare passengers, asking out your rideshare passengers, or all your creepy dude riders who are asking out your drivers, asking for your driver's phone number. Trust me, I have a lot of friends who are girls, and they've, at least all of them have told me, yeah, my rideshare driver asked for my phone number. You guys are creepy, okay? Not you specifically, but some of you drivers out there take it way too far. Chief Executive Terry Phipps said the idea struck after reading about a woman who was trapped in a rideshare in Texas, doors locked and no cell service, when she realized her driver was heading in the wrong direction. What struck me, the amount of the women who jumped on this Twitter feed with hashtag #MeToo stories or worse. And I remember thinking, oh my God, how has no one solved this yet? Have you guys seen Izzy's video? Her Uber driver tried to kidnap her. I'm sure Izzy has had plenty of, I would be willing to bet $100 that Izzy, the other girl on this YouTube channel, has been asked out by her driver. And I haven't even asked her or talked to her about it, but I'm just sure, because drivers, I don't know, for whatever reason, they think, oh, yeah, I'm gonna sign up to be a rideshare driver, AKA Uber dating app. Comment down below if you've ever asked out your passenger, or if you've ever been asked out. At my age and stage, I wasn't dying to be an entrepreneur. This kind of fell upon me. If not me, then who? If not now, then when? Called Wilma. The Vancouver-based service is named after Wilma Russi, the first female taxi driver. You know what is needed, guys? Honestly, in all rideshare cars and Uber and Lyft, I honestly don't know why they haven't done this yet. They need to have a dash cam in the car that's owned by Uber, so that every ride can be recorded. So that if there's a deactivation, Uber can just be like, let's look at the footage. Did nobody think that would be a good idea? And honestly, wouldn't that be a safety thing too? Because of after all the assaults that have taken place, all the bad things that have been taking place, all the SA that has been taking place, all the deaths that take place, the attacks, why don't you guys put cameras and all, send your driver a camera and they have to install it, and that camera better be rolling. I mean, you look at any other business, you go into a grocery store, there's cameras everywhere, you go into a restaurant, there's cameras everywhere. Why? To protect both parties, riders and drivers. That way you don't have drivers asking out passengers, you don't have passengers asking out drivers. A need for this app wouldn't even exist. It really wouldn't. But anyways, but it's called Wilma, if you want to check it out. If you're in London, I know we have viewers all over the world. I get really frustrated when people on this channel in the comments are like, why are you talking about another country that's not the United States? this channel, if you guys didn't know, we have viewers all over the world. And United States is only a small percentage of our viewership. We actually have people all over the world. So, and this could be going to, you know, nationwide in Europe, I'm assuming. Not nationwide, continent-wide in Europe. Sorry, it's late. It's 11 p.m., 11:38 p.m. here. And maybe the United States. So anyways, check out Wilma if you'd like. At least do your research on them. Show them some love. Tell them the Rideshare Hub sent you. And Wilma, if you're watching this, I would love to interview you for the channel. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.